Well, it's Cinco de Mayo time, and I thought, you know what? How about a Cinco de Mayo pizza pizzazz? Let's make a chicken enchilada pizza. Grab that frozen cheese pizza now! Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good! Yeah!
I par-baked it for half the time. Let's add some toppings, starting with some enchilada sauce spread on top. A little cheese on top of that. I'm gonna put on some cooked chicken, spread on top. A can of green chilies will go on next. I'm gonna add on some tortilla strips. And of course some more cheese on top of that. I'll finish baking according to directions. Whoa! I want to stick my whole face in that. Chicken enchilada pizza. Whoa. It's perfect! This video is part of a collaboration celebrating Cinco de Mayo, and it's hosted by my pal April at Cooking with April. You're gonna have to go and check out her channel. It'll be in my description, as well as a playlist. Check my description. What do chickens make for Cinco de Mayo? Guacamole?